decided to get into this vehicle so that I can go to the town and village and see what they are doing there. And then after that maybe I'll come back. Nataka kuona kama wameweka lami hapa mbele. So we are moving to where they are starting to put the tarmac. That's why I've got into a bus to transport me to that place. Alright? Okay. Let's see what is going to happen. See what is going to happen. Let me pay my friend here. Alright.
Na vile wanamwaga maji huku.
Wanamwaga maji.
Wanamwaga maji mingi sana. Unaona hiyo maji? Wangeipeleka ikapande mimea huku.
Si wanajifanya ati ni kazi wanafanya. I'm starting my blogging here. So welcome to another video today. Today is a Friday. And I'm starting my blog here. I'll show you where I'm starting. I think you can see behind me there. You can see where I'm starting my blog so that I go. So I will start where they are trying to improve the road, the Kangudo Road, so that it is wider. And I'm going to start from the Athi Bridge. So this is the Athi Bridge. Right? This is the way the bridge looks like. You can see vehicles coming from Nairobi. What you can see down here is the Athi River. All right. The Athi River, but you see very little water here. Very little water is here. I think this one was the earliest bridge here. Looks like there are some people who sleep under the old bridge there. So this is where I'm starting my video. At the Athi Bridge. Yeah?
Hii ni barabara alikuwa anatengeneza hapa ama?
Mimi naona kama hii ni bridge. Ilikuwa bridge ya zamani.
Ilikuwa ya zamani.
Naona hivyo.
Ikarudi ni kama maji ikaanza kuwa mingi.
Sasa wakaona wa improve na hii.
Na kumaanisha maji na kuanga mingi. Unaona maji inapitanga huko.
Maji inafika kule. Unaona kule? Kule kwa ile nini ya Kanju. Ndio inafika. Si nilikuwa hapa kukinyesha.
Acha.
Hakuna magari ilikuwa inaenda na huku.
Hadi inajaa hapa inarudi hivyo.
Na huku inaenda na mpaka kule kwa ile kanisa.
Hatari kabisa.
Kweli. Nimeza kile inaga. Okay. So this is where I'm starting the video. That was a friend of mine who is talking to me. So let's start. So from here you can see what they have done, and of course they are dealing with only one side. So I'll go through this for about 100 meters. Then I go back. But you can see very clearly here the bridge where I'm starting from. And I think they want to make it look like the other side, because that side you see there is known as Kamuru. So there is Kamuru, and on this side is Joska. So let's see. So they are trying to, but they are making a very kamarekira gaseke atia. Tena urage gaseke ati. Ai. Ona gatengekanira ngari. So we are saying with my friend there that they are putting a very, very, very narrow strip. So they are increasing about, I don't know what you can call this distance. Look at the distance here. From here to there, I don't know whether it is a meter, and on the other side it is a meter. The road is normally busy. This road is normally busy. Notice now, this work has reached Mala. So I think they are going on one side first. I understand they put the stones so that vehicles don't step. So let's see how this place is going to come out. Well, of course, it will be a bit wider. It will be a bit wider. So from here, let's try to see. Alright. Your road looks like that. Alright. So I think they will increase this side, they will put that one about a meter, and maybe on the other side they put a meter, so that maybe the road they are making it 2 meters wide from the original road. This is a way bridge here. It's written here, way bridge. Warning, overloaders shall be prosecuted. Watch your weight. Alright? And overloaders will be Kamuru Virtual Way Bridge. 200 meters. Oh, so it is ahead there, 200 meters. Alright. Although we are in Joska. Yes. I think I wanted to help myself. So that is it. So this is where they started making widening the tarmac road, and they have put these stones here, maybe so that vehicles don't step on this tarmac. So let's move along the road. So I'm moving along the road now. I think it's okay. So from behind me, you can see what work they have done. Okay. So after I walk a distance, I think I'll move away from the road and maybe walk this way because I want to have a call somewhere here, a nature call. So I've come out of the road. I'm walking at the side. This is a virtual, whatever. This is the virtual way bridge there. All right. I don't know whether I can be asked if I take a photo of it. The virtual way bridge. I don't know whether it is. Is it illegal to take a virtual way bridge to show people? I'm not taking anybody. So it is the one they had said. From there, it is one. From there, they were saying it is 200 meters. So from here to here, it's 200 meters. Let me show you. From that place there, coming all the way or up to where it is, they are saying that is 200 meters. All right. Let's proceed. The way bridge, the virtual way bridge, Kamuru. All right. Let's continue with our journey. Remember, I'm deciding to go at the side so that I avoid the vehicles, and I also want to go for a call, a short call, because you cannot go for a short call on the road. It's dangerous. Sasa, so this is a way bridge. I don't know whether there is anybody who keeps it, but it's there. All right. So I've moved away from the road because I want to have something here. Mudhwani. Okay. So there is a road here taking me to Mudhwani. Let me show you. I don't know whether. Can you walk through here? You can see the poster there talking about Tala Mudhwani. Tala Kangudo, you go straight. Mudhwani, Okenya, you deviate. Can you see that, guys? Right. Now let me see whether I can have a shot to go here. It's a bit challenging that we need to have a call here. Shot to go the nature here. But here you can see we have a forest. We have a very big forest. There are some women who are coming. I hope they are not going to find me having my car. They will find me having finished my call, nature call. So I'm just having a natural call here. And there are some women who are coming. So let me have finished. So they are not going to find me doing the action. So I'm trying to put my seat back. Yes. Okay. So that I look better. Right. So let's move. You can see a mark here. I don't know what mark is that. Maybe that is where the road reaches. So I'm completely at the side, but you can still see the whatever. These are, we have very many schools here. A very big poster here, giant poster. So we have this one here, East Park Academy. Mixed day at the Boning and Junior School. Every child must shine. And they are saying Joska behind Woodville Mall. 500 meters off Kagudo Road. Alright, you can see it for yourself. And then there is another one on the other side. Remember, I'm competing with the sound of the vehicles. Alright. Okay. And I don't know what the women are saying. Okay. But here there is a very big forest here. Alright. Okay. So those are the women I was talking about. They were passing. So let me pass. I hope the county staff are not going to misbehave. But I'm moving completely away from the road. I think this is the place where people use. Okay. So let me moving. So I'm moving from the bridge now. I'm going to one town. I hope I'm going to reach there on foot. But I'm sure by the time I reach there, maybe I will be very tired. You never know. No, I don't know what they are building here. Here seems to be building something. They have excavated this place. So the road, and there are so many boulders of stone. Let me show you guys.